My name is Mary, and I've been involved with the group since we started in 2022. I'm now a gardener. Mainly myself and Tilly and a couple of other people, we look after maintaining the garden. Originally I was what was called the gardenizer, which is the garden organizer. The very first thing we put in were water butts. Not expensive and very useful. The second thing I would say is you need a good shed that you can lock your tools and all your bulbs in the winter, etc. in. I would say then you need a good composting system, because when you start weeding and trimming back or whatever, you have to have somewhere, especially in a small space like ours. So you either need a good outdoor composting system, or as we have one hot bin that our maintenance men made, and we also have a system whereby we use bins, but we stir them up and we move them from one to the other. And the third iteration then is riddled and goes into a bag, and that's our compost for the garden. The irrigation system really is only used obviously in the summer months, and unfortunately in the summer months we don't tend to have the water in the butts either, so you will have to rely on tap water. But it's vital, and especially if you're working with containers and pots. They dry out really quickly, and daily watering will be required. Like either a greenhouse or somewhere, a tunnel somewhere that you can start your plants, work when it's raining, bring on things that you wouldn't normally be able to grow if you're trying to be adventurous. It is essential. It may not be the first thing you get, but down the road you should have aspirations to have it, I would say. After that, what you really need is lots of good volunteers, and we have those.